Welcome to the instructional video for the Brinkmann Elite Dual Sear Gas Grill. Attach the casters to the bottom of the cart base using 16 M6 by 12 mm bolts and 16 star washers. Lock the caster and use 6 M6 by 12 mm bolts and 6 star washers to attach the left and right side cart panels to the cart base. Use 8 M6 by 12 mm bolts and 8 star washers to attach the cart corner brackets to the cart base and the cart side panels. Attach the upper cart brace using 4 M6 by 12 mm bolts and 4 star washers. Use 2 M6 by 12 mm bolts to attach the tank block bar to the cart base and the upper cart brace. Use 4 M4 by 15 mm bolts to insert the 4 door spacers and attach the door handles. To attach the doors to the cart assembly, insert the lower door pin into the hole on the cart base. Then depress the upper door spring pin and align it with the hole in the upper cart brace and slide into place. With the help of a friend, place the grill body assembly on the grill cart. Align the bolt holes located on the grill body assembly using 4 M6 by 12 mm bolts and 4 star washers. Insert the 2 bolts with the pre-attached nuts on the left side table into the keyholes in the side table front panel. Then tighten the nuts with a wrench. Insert the 2 bolts with the pre-attached nuts on the right side burner assembly into the keyholes in the side burner assembly table front panel and tighten the nuts with a wrench. Attach the left side table to the left side of the cart frame assembly. Place the table over the pre-attached bolts and slide the table towards the back of the grill. Then tighten securely. Fasten the side table front panel to the grill body with one M6 by 12 mm bolt. Attach the right side burner assembly to the right side of the cart frame assembly. Place the table over the pre-attached bolts and slide the table towards the back of the grill. Then tighten securely. Fasten the side burner assembly front panel to the grill body with one M6 by 12 mm bolt. To install the side burner, remove the pre-attached nut and M4 washer on the side burner. Attach one M4 bolt to secure the tip of the side burner. Attach one M4 by 10 mm bolt from the top of the side burner to secure in place. Now attach two M4 washers and one M4 nut and one wing nut to secure the side burner. Now attach the side burner igniter lead wire to the electrode on the bottom of the side burner. Place the side burner grate onto the side burner table. Attach the tank heat shield under the grease tray using two M4 by 10 mm bolts. Slide the grease tray onto the tracks located behind and underneath the grill body assembly. Hang the grease cup from the grease tray. Make sure to slide the cup onto the tracks. Now place the heat distribution plates and sear burner heat distribution plate on the lower level of the grill body assembly, directly above the burners. Place the cooking grills and sear burner cooking grill on the support ribs directly above the heat distribution plates. Insert the warming rack onto the brackets so it sits above the cooking grills. Your Brinkmann Elite Dual Sear Gas Grill is now assembled.